Hello guys, my name is Nikhil Darokar and today I am going to tell you that how to convert a single column data into table format. Whenever we are trying to copy some data from any website and trying to paste it into our Excel, that data is getting pasted in one column. So we don't need that data in one column, we need that data in a table format or tabular format. So how we can convert that single column into a table, that's what I am going to tell you today. So for that purpose I take this site as an example. So whenever I am trying to copy this data and paste it in my Excel, that data is getting pasted in one column. So to paste that data, press Alt Ctrl V. This pop-up is coming and click on the text tab and click on the OK. As you can see here, your data is pasted in one column. So how you can convert this single column into table? That's what your problem is now. So to convert that, so you can see here column names are there, but to sort that data you don't need this column name, so column names. So just remove that column names by clicking on it and press Ctrl minus. So now your first row is removed. Now your data is here. I just take the 3 rows guys. You can take a lot more data also from this website or from another website also. So for your understanding purpose, I just take the 3 rows of this table. So now I am going now I have to sort this data into a table. So as you know, here 8 fields are there: rank, website, email, and so on. So 8 fields are there, and after each 8th field my first field is coming. As here you already know that. So after each 8th field the first field is coming here. So you have to indicate that 8th field with the help of some character or something else. So here I am indicating that 8th field with the help of @. So we have to make sure that this @ is coming at the each 8th field so we can filter it out. So to make that, you have to just go to the up of that, means upward side of that column, same column. You type the @ here and you go to the up by pressing Ctrl up arrow and just press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. Now you have selected these 8 cells and you have to just drag this 8 cell till your data is there. Now you can see my @ is coming after each 8th field. So now you have to just make this single column into table. So how you can convert this single column into table? You have to just make sure you have to apply this formula at the after each 8 field, means after the fields, how many fields are there in your data. So you have to apply that for this formula after that particular number of columns or particular number of cells, you can say. So to apply this formula, I'm just typing here equal to A1 because my data is in A1 field, A1 cell, you can say, and I'm just writing this formula for my total 8 cell. So I am doing this same thing, equal to A2, equal to A3, equal to A4, equal to A5, equal to A6, equal to A7, and equal to A8. Now you can see your database is ready, but you have applied this for only one row. So to come is to get all the rows, you have to just go to the down of that particular column where you have pasted that data or your data is there. you have to go to the down side of that particular column. So to go to the down, press Ctrl down arrow, and after the @ sign, you have to just select that 8 column. So to select that 8 column, press Shift tab and press right arrow. So you can select that 8 column. So I have selected this 8 column with the help of Shift tab. Now press press Ctrl Shift and up arrow. So now you have to apply that formulas to all these rows or to all these cells. So to apply this formula to all these cells, press Ctrl D. Now your formula is applied all over here. But you can see formula is there but not the values. So to convert that formula into values, press Ctrl C and press Alt Ctrl V. So now value, this pop-up is coming, and go to the values and click on the OK. So now your formula is converted into values. Now what you have to do, you have to just filter the next column where you have indicate the data, means you have indicate the 8th field with the help of @. So you have to just filter that column. So to filter that column, just press Ctrl Shift L, go to the filter, and you don't need these blank spaces because you have applied this formula on after each 8th field. So after each 8th field your formula is correct, so you don't need these blank spaces. So blank spaces I deselect and click on the OK. So now you can see here your database is ready. So as I took 3 rows here, 3 rows from here, so 3 rows are there. Now you have to just copy these column names and paste it in your Excel. Oh, there sometimes errors are coming. So press Alt Ctrl V, and now you can see here your database is ready. So please let me know guys if this video is helpful for you, and if you have another way to convert this type of data into table format like this, please let me know your ways. And thank you so much, and stay tuned for another videos. Thank you.